Need more cash as the cost of living skyrockets? Relax. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or running your own gig, there are ways to boost your income. In this video, we'll show you 8 tricks to make more money this year and beat the economy. First, the golden rule. Work hard and put in more hours. It's not rocket science. Put more time into your talents, more money comes in. More hours, more income. We all want an easy way to earn more, but the truth is, just putting in more work can boost your paycheck. And hey, working smarter is important too. But sometimes putting in the work is key. Don't underestimate putting in more hours. Sometimes quantity is more important than quality. How do you make your hours count for more? First, by using your time to save money or effort for others. Second, by reducing risk and accelerating success. And third, by increasing the amount of work or helping it grow. Asking for more money isn't just about saying, "Give me more." You have to show that you deserve it. And how do you do that? By showing how your work benefits the company. If you're the boss, that means giving more to your current clients and seeking out new ones. Don't just ask for more money, work to earn it. Of course, to make your time more valuable, sometimes you need more money up front. And that's where our second tip comes in. Work on commission and team up with people who are faster than you. Working this way is an endless game. No initial investment, just sell and earn. The more you sell, the more money you make. Best of all, you decide how much you make. Whether you're just starting out or you're a pro, there's always room to grow. Plus, what better way to know your customers and hone your sales skills? It's like a game where every sale teaches you something new. And here's the trick. Surround yourself with people who challenge you. Have you ever heard that you're the average of your 5 closest friends? It's true. When you're around people who push harder, you push harder. You work together, you support each other, and you lift each other up. Learning from them not only teaches you, but also keeps you motivated to keep getting better. Choose your team wisely. If your goal is to increase your income, you need a team that shares your goals and pushes you towards them. Together, you can accomplish much more than you could alone. So look around, find those who will challenge you to be better, and get ready to reach new heights. Guess what? Having a good group of people around you can really speed up your learning. That's why our next piece of advice is so important. Accelerate your learning to increase your income. Every day is an opportunity to become more valuable. Every decision you make gets you closer to your financial goals. The key is to keep learning. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day to absorb knowledge that will help you grow as a person. Whether it's reading an article, listening to a podcast, or taking an online course, these small daily increments add up over the course of a year and have an amazing effect on your personal and professional development. Imagine an entire year of continuous growth. Some days you'll take big steps. Some days you'll take small steps. But all of them are important to your progress. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes a day. Are you ready to turn every day into an opportunity to move toward a more prosperous life? Start today and don't waste any more time. This knowledge can also help you stop being an employee and become an entrepreneur. This brings us to our fourth piece of advice: outsource. Can you imagine taking your career to the next level and becoming an entrepreneur instead of an employee? Outsource the monotonous and repetitive tasks. What if you became a company and offered your services to your current employer? This way you can significantly reduce your taxes. Sounds good, right? Corporations pay taxes differently, which means more money in your pocket. Now, let's talk about outsourcing. If you feel that your life is an endless routine, how can you increase your income? If you spend your day doing the same thing over and over again, where is the opportunity for growth? Outsource the mundane tasks and let others do them while you focus on the strategic ones. That way, your time becomes more valuable. Monetize that freedom, seek more opportunities, and increase your income. Shift your mindset from employee to business owner and unlock a world of potential. Attract more clients, grow your business, and be smart with your money. Now that you have more freedom, it's time to follow our fifth step. Add a new income stream by investing. Have you ever thought about whether your money is working for you or for someone else? It's time to make your income truly yours. Start by automatically allocating 15% of your monthly income to a low-cost investment account such as Vanguard, where you can invest in the S&P 500. This first step is critical because you're putting your money to work for you right away. Then, as your investment account continues to grow, keep an eye on the local real estate market. Monitor home prices in your area. This is the time to start visualizing your next move. Step 3. Once you have enough money for the down payment, it's time to take action. Buy a property and turn it into a passive income stream by renting it out. Make sure the rent covers all the expenses associated with the property. Finally, repeat the process. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but each month your tenants will pay off the value of the house for you. Eventually, you'll be able to own multiple properties and generate even more passive income. So, my friend, this is the game we're in. Don't expect instant results, but with patience and perseverance, you'll be on your way to financial independence. Ready to make your money work for you? Number 6, pick the players from the field. If you want to move fast in a competitive business world, you need the best people on your team. If you feel your company is stuck with employees who aren't performing, it's time to change your strategy. Big companies are laying off people in droves, so there's plenty of talent available. The key? Finding the smart people who can move your business forward. You need to recruit the best and give them reasons to join you. Agility and efficiency are key, whether it's improving what you already do or attracting new talent. You need to be bold to stand out. Speaking of standing out, our 7th tip is to be consistent in your work. Have you ever felt like you have to hit a target every time to be successful? It's time to let go of that idea. Consistency is what will lead you to long-term success. It may sound overwhelming, but consistency wins over the occasional viral explosion. What does that mean? Well, that doing a small task every day adds up over time. Each action is like dropping a coin into an invisible piggy bank. You don't see the progress right away, but over time, you'll be surprised at how much you've accumulated. How do you do this? By creating a routine, setting a schedule, and committing to following it day after day. You don't have to wait for a miracle. Just be consistent with yourself. Are you ready to take action? That brings us to our 8th and final tip. Focus and get more out of your people. When it comes to maximizing the value of your people, the key is efficiency and intelligent task assignment. It's not just about getting them to do more work for the same amount of money. It's about getting the most out of their skills and experience. For example, instead of having your designer manage social media, they could focus on specific projects that have a high return on investment. By assigning them strategic and high-value tasks, such as creating effective ads or increasing conversions, you will significantly increase the long-term economic impact. It's important to remember that employees will still be working the same hours, but it's your responsibility to focus their efforts on activities that generate the most value for the company. That's all for today, family. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and comment on what you think of these 8 tips for increasing your income this year. Are you ready to put them into action and see your income grow? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a new video. We'll see you next time, and long live the revolution!